administration information. Press 1 for administrator setting. Press 2 for user setting. Press 3 for system setting. Press 4 to reboot system. Press 1 to add administrator setting. Press 2 to delete administrator. Press 3 networking setting. Input administration information. Please input again. 001 successful. Press 2 for user setting. Press 1 to add user. Press 2 to delete user. Input unlock information. Please input again. Please input again. Please input again. Please input again. 010 successful. Input unlock information. 011 successful. Input unlock information. Please input again. 012 successful. Press 3 for system setting. Press 1 for voice setting. Press 2 for unlock mode. Press 3 for language setting. Press 4 time setting. Press 5 for changing room number. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Locked. Confirmed by pound key.